to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educator and motivator. Today, in the series of business letters, I am taking your third letter, that is placing the order for particular goods. First of all, we have to know the certain points. At the top, there is letterhead. It means the address of the writer of the letter. After leaving one line, then we have to bring date. And in next line, without leaving line, we have to bring letter number. Again, after leaving one line, then we have to bring address inside. It means to whom we are going to write the letter. After leaving one line, then we have to bring the subject. And after leaving one line, then we have to bring the salutation. And without leaving any line, then we have to start the main body of the letter. And this letter is to be written only in one paragraph. After this letter, then we have to leave one line in left hand side. Then we have to write down yours faithfully. Then we have to leave one line, then name along with signature. So this is the system of these points. Now I am taking your third letter. In first letter, there was demanding terms and conditions of the trade and price list of goods. In second, that was from the seller, supplying the terms and conditions of the trade and price list of goods. And when these terms and conditions of the trade and price list of goods will be received by the buyer, then considering those terms and conditions and getting satisfied, then he will write a letter placing order to the supplier. And as I am taking the letter in which at one hand there is the bookseller, on the other hand there is the publisher. The bookseller will write the letter. Please refer your letter number XYZ, dated such and such, supplying the terms and conditions of the trade and price list of books. It is for your kind information that both the things suit us. Therefore, we are placing the order for books. In order, then we have to disclose serial number, names of books, number of books. Like this, the complete order is to be made, and that is to be sent to the supplier, to the publisher. When this description is over, details of order are over, then we have to give again the information. Writing, please execute the order at the earliest, so that we may encash the season. You are also requested to go through the books so that no defective books can be supplied to us. With thanks, then leaving one line, name along with signature. This is your letter placing the order. This may be placing the order for fans. This may be placing order for refrigerators, maybe washing machines, maybe AC, maybe anything. Like this, we may place order for goods. So this is our third letter, placing order for goods. Thank you very much.